Hello everyone, I would like to show our machine Phoxton diode laser 1470 plus 650 model. This is the main unit. You can see here is the emergency stop. This is our wireless foot switch. Here it is foot switch cable. This is our fiber cutter cum stripper. These are our main handpieces. One is straight handpiece and second is curved handpiece. This is patient eyewear. These are the doctor goggles. There are two goggles provided with the laser. Now we will start our machine. This is the main screen. After that there were some security checks and the machine will start. You can see here we have to insert password. You will enter and you will be seeing this is the main user interface or the main screen. You can see here machine is having two modes. One is continuous mode and second is pulse mode. Here you can see the machine is 1470 wavelength and plus 650 wavelength, and this you can both simultaneously you can set 1470 plus 650. Here you can individually use 1470 wavelength. In this 650 you can use 650 wavelength individually. Here you can see there are some parameters here. This is the aiming dim light, this is the sound of the machine, this is the backlight of the machine, the screen light. Here is the foot switch connection indicator. The red means the foot switch is not connected, and when you switch on the foot switch it will be turned into green. Now you can see here is the power. So power is the main part in the machine. You can change it with this parameter. We will be clicking on 1470. So the power is right now 0.1 watt. You can change it from here. Also you can use slider. If you want to change the time, click on the time and you can change with the buttons. Right now you can see the machine is continuous mode, so the T on time and T off time will be 0. When you are clicking on pulse mode, the T on time and T off time will be there. Now you can see here in the main screen there is a menu option. We will be clicking on that menu option. There are 4 options there: settings, language, protocols and information. Whenever we are going on the setting, there are different type of options available. Now we can go back from this back button. In language we have a universal language English right now selected. Then we will go on the back. In protocols, so there are different type of surgery that we can operate with this machine. So in surgery you can do different type of surgery protocols. In ENT there are different type of treatments you can do with the laser. EVLT, EVLA is for varicose veins, PLDD is for neuro, Gynec is for gynecological treatments, therapy is for therapeutical treatments. So first of all we'll go in the surgery. In surgery we can see there are proctology treatments. First is mucopexy, hemorrhoids grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, anal fistula, anal fissure, pyloneedle sinus, external polyp, incision and cone excision. So our machine is preset with parameters. So suppose I'm pressing on mucopexy, the machine will automatically take 6 watt, automatically take 15 seconds, and we can see here total energy is 90 joule. So we will be giving 90 joule in mucopexy. It's same that we can also go in surgeries menu, like press on this box and there will be an option available for different type of treatments. You can go in the surgery. Now if you are selecting grade 3, you can see power will be 7 watt, that is automatically came. Time is 22 seconds, so that is also automatically came. And here is the energy, so 154 joule per pile mass we suggest in hemorrhoids grade 3. You can see it is in continuous mode. Suppose if you want to change it, that you want to change the parameters, you can change it accordingly. So like if you want to do it on 7.5 watt, you can do on 7.5 watt. If you want to do it on pulse mode, you can change it to pulse mode. So it is according to you. If you want to change the settings, you can change it, but we have also suggested our settings. Now I will let you know that which other parameters are there. For liposuction, chin, stomach, gynecomastia and thighs are there. In ENT there are so many protocols. Here are the first page. You will click on the next button. So this is the second page, and you can go in the previous and you can go back. In EVLT, 2 options, above the knees and below the knees. In PLDD we have PLDD, neurotomy and neurectomy. In Gynec we have LVR, LVT means laser vaginal tightening and laser vaginal rejuvenation. SUIs is there, stress urinary incontinence. GSM, skin tag and excision. In therapy, we can see here wound healing, diabetic ulcer, post-operative pain, venous ulcer, trauma, and burns. Now we can see here power is 10 watt. So suppose we are keeping it 10 watt and the time is 30 minutes. We are keeping minutes into 0 and we will be keeping seconds into 10 seconds. So in continuous mode, total energy is 100 joule. So how the energy comes? Energy is equal to power into time. So 10 into 10, it will be 100 joule. So here you can see 100 joule is. Now you can see this is our foot switch. This is wireless foot switch. You can connect it from wire also, and you can connect it wirelessly also. Now you can see here is the on and off button. You can see here the light of foot switch is in red. It means the foot switch is not connected. So right now foot switch is not connected. So whenever I will be pressing the on button, the foot switch will be on and this button will green after 3 seconds. So our foot switch is connected right now. We will keep aside. This is our fiber connector. Now this is our fiber and we will insert the fiber like this. So here I have inserted the fiber. Check it twice that it is properly connected and it is properly tightened. This is the bare fiber. You can see the tip of bare fiber is straight, so the laser emission will be in a straight position. Now whenever I am pressing on standby and ready button, the laser is ready to fire. Whenever I am pressing this foot switch, this is how the laser is operated. The 100 joule energy was there. We have actual energy 100 joule is totally delivered. So now we will also see one thing. Whenever I am pressing the foot switch, the joule is increasing. It is 120 joule right now, and 7 second is there, 6 second, 5 second, 4 second, 3 second, 2 second, and 0. So machine will automatically shut down after 10 second is completed. Now we will be going into the menu, and in the information we can see here is the instrument model. So PXTM15D is the instrument model. Maximum laser power is 15 watt plus 200 milliwatt for 650 wavelength. Laser wavelength is 1470 plus 650 nanometer. It's a dual wavelength machine. Version is the software version. Registration number, you can see there are different type of registration number for the warranty claiming. Product date, the date of manufacturing of this unit, it is 9th of May 2024. So this is the latest machine we have available. This is the emergency switch. So whenever you are feeling like you want to close the machine or the machine is malfunctioning, just press the machine and it will go shut off. Now if you want to restart the machine, just rotate this knob and the machine will restart. So again there are some security checks out there. The machine will be coming on the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the password. Go on menu, go on protocols and therapy. Whenever you are doing any diabetic ulcer, it will be go in 650 wavelength automatically. We are giving 50 milliwatt power to that diabetic ulcer and we will be firing laser for 30 seconds. So we will be giving 1.5 joule in diabetic wound. So here is how the setting is done. Now there is a different handpiece for diabetic ulcer. This type of handpiece is there. We will be keeping it from the box. Bare fiber, we will be inserting the bare fiber from back side of this handpiece. Now we can see if we have to remove this. Now insert this bare fiber into the handpiece. Now just tight the handpiece. Just keep around 1 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter fiber out of this cannula. Now this is our head of this fiber. We will be unscrewing the backside screw. Sorry, you can attach this tip on this head. So I am attaching this. So here how it will look like. Now whenever I am pressing on standby and ready, the fiber is ready to fire. Whenever I am switching on the laser emission, this is how the therapy is given to the patient. one is straight and one is curved. Now I will show you how this curved handpiece is kept. Now this is the back side of handpiece. This is a screw, rotating screw. You can loosen the screw, don't open it, keep it like this. You can insert the fiber from back side. We have inserted the fiber. You can see there will be a tip coming out of the fiber. Now the tip is came outside. Keep 4 to 5 mm fiber outside and then tighten this screw until that the fiber will be too loose and not too tight.